Let us discuss life process. Life process are the process that occur in living organisms which are essential for metabolism, maintenance and to sustain life. So basically life processes are the process that occur in a living organism. Now how would you differentiate between a living and a non-living organism? Living organisms, you can observe certain characteristic features which include the ability to move. Example, a bird flying, a fish swimming. Living organisms have the ability to grow. You can observe a small plant turning into a magnificent tree. Living organisms also have the ability to reproduce, that is, to create an individual of its own kind. Certain organisms like bacteria reproduce by simply dividing into two, whereas certain organisms give birth directly to an individual, and in some animals you will observe they lay eggs which later on hatch to give an individual. Living organisms also have a characteristic feature, that is the ability to breathe or respirate. In this process, the gases from the atmosphere are inhaled, which are passed on throughout the body with an elaborate circulatory system. Living organisms also have the ability to transport. The gases which I mentioned earlier are transported via the circulatory system. Day-to-day activities in living things or living organisms create an excessive amount of toxic materials which is known as waste. Now if they are kept in the body, they are toxic and hence has to be eliminated, and this is done by the process which is known as excretion. So basically life processes can be grouped into nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. In this chapter we will talk about all of these processes.